Who told you not to follow your dreams?
We love positive energy. Dima brings that into a room when you meet her.
Who told you not to be yourself?
The people here are so on fire.
What is holding you back?
I think every young woman needs to hear about this at a younger age.
These fears are stopping them from being creative, from advancing, from expanding their potential, and from making their dreams come true.
Thoroughly enjoyed Dima's presentation. I think it's so important to realize who you are.
Feel the fear and take action anyway.
It'll definitely make me wake up and not be fearful of making decisions in life.
It was really inspiring to hear about.
Feel the fear and take action anyway.
To be able to stand there in front of all those people and tell her story, it's very inspiring.
Smash it. Smash it into a million pieces. Smash it with all the fear, the worry, and the shame that it represents.